In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a period in Xero. This skill is essential for anyone managing financial records in Xero, whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone learning Xero for the first time. Unlocking a period is particularly useful if you need to make adjustments to periods that have been previously closed. This guide will walk you through each step necessary to unlock a period, ensuring your financials are up to date and accurate. First, you'll need to ensure that you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the accounting section. You'll find the accounting tab prominently displayed on the main dashboard. This is where the journey begins. Diving into this section allows us to manage the core components of your financial tasks. Inside the accounting section, you will want to look for the advanced option. Clicking this takes you deeper into the settings, providing a hub for more detailed financial management. It's like opening a new door into a world of controls essential for the task we're about to undertake. Within the advanced options, your next stop is the financial settings. This critical area lets you manage financial parameters of your Xero account, including adjusting the lock dates, which is precisely what we need to unlock a period. Upon entering the financial settings, you'll see an option to remove lock dates. This option is crucial for our purpose. In Xero, lock dates act as a security feature, safeguarding against changes to transactions on or before a specific date. By choosing to remove or adjust these lock dates, you can make necessary amendments to periods that were previously unavailable for editing, granting you greater control to keep your financial records precise and up to date. After you select to remove the lock dates, the next and arguably the most crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which you'll typically find at either the bottom or top of the page. Once you click it, the changes you've made are confirmed. The periods you need to adjust are now unlocked, allowing you to make those essential changes. As you go through this process, here are a few additional tips to remember. Always double-check the dates you're unlocking to prevent unintended alterations to your financial records. It's easy to overlook a date range, so exercising caution is vital. Remember that unlocking periods and modifying historical data can significantly impact your financial statements and reports. Reviewing these changes thoroughly or consulting with a financial professional is crucial to ensure alignment with your overall financial strategy. Once you've completed your adjustments, consider relocking the periods to maintain the integrity of your financial data. This small step ensures that your records remain secure and accurate. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to unlock a period in Xero in just 5 minutes. While this process is straightforward, it plays a critical role in maintaining accurate and current financial records in Xero. Whether you're reconciling past transactions, correcting entries, or preparing for tax season, knowing how to unlock periods is a valuable skill in effectively managing your finances with Xero. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need to, and don't hesitate to practice this process to become more familiar with unlocking periods in Xero. Remember, managing your financial records accurately is key to maintaining the health and success of your business.